Stop scrolling. What you're about to hear is the future of flight, and it's not what you think. For years, we've flown the Air, the Mini, the Mavic. We've seen incremental upgrades, a little more battery life here, a slightly better sensor there. But the whispers coming out of Shenzhen right now, they aren't about an upgrade. They're about a complete re-engineering. They're talking about the DJI Neo 2, and if the leaks are even half true, this isn't just a drone. It's a paradigm shift that will make everything else in your gear bag instantly obsolete. The specs we're seeing aren't just market-leading. They feel like something pulled from a classified military project. This is the deep dive. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The one where we peel back the layers of rumor, speculation, and actual supplier chain evidence to uncover the most anticipated and possibly the most controversial release in drone history. By the end of this 30 minutes, you will know exactly what DJI is building, why they're building it, and how it's going to change everything about aerial cinematography and flight safety. Let's cut straight to the core of any drone, the camera. The current top-tier models? They're great, but they still struggle in low light. They still clip the highlights. They still feel like a compromise. The Neo 2 is rumored to house a sensor so advanced, it's going to challenge professional mirrorless cameras. We're talking about a custom-designed 1-inch quad-Bayer sensor with a native dynamic range that could finally hit 14 stops. Think about that. Shooting a sunset and holding every single detail in the blazing sun and the deepest shadows simultaneously. This isn't just a better sensor, it's a smarter sensor. But the real game-changer is the lens. Forget the fixed aperture. Leaks suggest the Neo 2 will feature a mechanically adjustable aperture from $f/$2.8 to $f/$11. This is the absolute holy grail for filmmakers, giving us genuine depth of field control and the ability to perfectly manage motion blur in any light condition without stacking ND filters. And yes, the magic word, 6K at 60 frames per second, recorded internally in 10-bit D-Log. This isn't just resolution. It's color fidelity that finally lets you grade your footage like a Hollywood professional. This is the death of the drone look and the birth of truly cinematic aerials. This camera setup alone justifies the Neo 2's existence. The camera is one thing, but if you can only fly for 15 minutes, it's just a paperweight. This is where the engineering gets absolutely ruthless. The rumored battery technology in the Neo 2 is based on a new solid-state polymer cell design. This isn't just a slightly bigger battery. It's fundamentally denser power. The promise? A verified 45-minute flight time in real-world, dynamic conditions. 45 minutes. That's enough time to plan, rehearse, and execute complex shots without the heart-pounding panic of a low battery warning. Now, let's talk about staying in the air, because this is where DJI is pulling out the stops. We've all dealt with obstacle avoidance failing in complex environments. The Neo 2 is rumored to feature an octo-directional sensing system, a full 360 degrees of vision, plus top and bottom, driven by LiDAR technology, not just passive visual sensors. This means it doesn't just see obstacles, it maps them in 3D, in real time. This level of autonomy means you can focus purely on the shot, while the drone literally pilots itself out of trouble,